Welcome back to SSM Stories. We're about to start on another fascinating voyage that will take you from the ocean's bright surface to its enigmatic depths. Prepare to be astounded by the incredible natural treasures that lie hidden beneath the seas in a realm beyond your wildest dreams. Come along with us as we plunge deep beneath the waves to reveal the secrets of the deep sea. This journey across the sea aims to discover the characteristics, residents, and terrifying reality of this mysterious realm. 1. Deepest living organisms. The Mariana snailfish is a noteworthy member of the deep-water kingdom of marine life. The title of being the deepest living fish ever found belongs to this amazing animal. It resides in the Mariana Trench, the region of the world's seas that is the deepest known to man. The Mariana Trench, a vast depression in the western Pacific Ocean, has a depth of over 36,000 feet, 10,972 meters, at its lowest point, known as the Challenger Deep. The water pressure is astounding at such deep depths, exerting a force over 1,000 times greater than that at the surface. The Mariana snailfish has adapted to survive in this unique ecosystem despite these challenging circumstances. The discovery of the Mariana snailfish reminds us of the endless wonders that our seas contain and offers a glimpse into the astounding biodiversity that occurs in the deep sea worlds. 2. Bioluminescent ballet. The bioluminescent ballet is a mesmerizing display of nocturnal glow seen in the deep sea. In the depths of the world's oceans, there are animals like torchfish that arrange this amazing phenomenon. The nocturnal, tiny torchfish are distinguished by their bioluminescence. They have unique organs called photophores, which are located close to their eyes and contain bioluminescent bacteria. Through a chemical process, these bacteria produce a soft, blue-green glow that is mesmerizing. 3. Invisible ink of the deep sea. The blanket octopus is an intriguing illustration of survival and adaptation. Contrary to its name, this amazing species is not well recognized for its blanketing prowess, but rather for a strange yet extremely successful defense tactic that involves the Portuguese man-of-war. A venomous, jellyfish-like organism called the Portuguese man-of-war lives on the ocean's surface. It has lengthy, stinging tentacles that can sting potential enemies painfully and even fatally. These tentacles contain specialized cells armed with stinging nematocysts. 4. Living fossils. The frilled shark is frequently referred to as a living fossil, because of its snake-like body and several rows of teeth, which have remained essentially unchanged for millions of years. Due to its ancient ancestry and basic traits, which have mostly stayed intact for millions of years, this extraordinary fish is frequently referred to as a living fossil. The frilled shark is distinguished from other shark species by its unusual look. Its fringed gills along the sides of its head and long, eel-like body give it an almost ancient appearance. It also has rows of razor-sharp, needle-like teeth that are arranged like a chainsaw and are ideal for its deep-sea home. 5. The vampire squid's deceptive name. Despite its enticing name, the vampire squid does not consume blood. It is actually a little cephalopod that may be found in the deep oceans of the Earth. The name of this strange creature refers to its look, which is quite scary due to its black coloring and webbed arms. The vampire squid got its name because of how differently it adapted to its surroundings. It has evolved the capacity to camouflage itself in darkness, allowing it to avoid predators and blend in with the background in the deep sea. The vampire squid has the ability to instantly change its ordinarily dark red or black body into a ghostly pale color when attacked, acting as a kind of smokescreen. 6. Symbiotic relationships. A magnificent web of life can be found in the ocean's depths, where organisms have formed complex alliances to survive in the harsh circumstances of the deep sea. One of these mutualistic relationships, involving particular bacterial species and the hydrothermal vent tubeworm, is one of the most fascinating. Underwater geysers known as hydrothermal vents spew hot, mineral-rich water into the sea. These vents are found at vast depths, frequently close to tectonic plate borders. These vents can produce water that is several hundred degrees Celsius, more than 900 degrees Fahrenheit, hot. 7. Exceptional pressure tolerance. There are species that have evolved to resist pressures in our ocean's deepest regions that would be fatal to most other life forms. The pressure there is nothing short of crushing. A little bit unusual animal called an amphipod, specifically the species Halocryptus spinulosus, is one of them. This tiny crustacean can tolerate pressures more than 1,600 times greater than the atmospheric pressure at sea level and is only found in the deepest areas of the ocean. To put this in perspective, if a person descended to these levels, they would experience pressures comparable to having more than 1,600 elephants piled on top of them. 8. Transparent squids. In the dark, hidden depths of the ocean, certain organisms have developed unique adaptations to help them survive. One of these is the mysterious cockatoo squid, which has the captivating quality of being almost translucent. The cockatoo squid's amazing transparency is a crucial adaptation for its deep-sea existence. The squid blends in with its environment by almost becoming invisible by allowing light to travel through its body. It can approach prey undetected and is protected from predators thanks to its amazing camouflage. 9. Ancient giants. The enormous isopod is a species that resembles it has walked out of the pages of Earth's ancient history. It lives in the gloomy depths of the ocean, where the pressure is great and the atmosphere is harsh. These amazing beings, whose evolutionary history spans more than 160 million years, are among the planet's largest arthropods. Giant isopods, which resemble large pill bugs or woodlice, can grow to be up to 16 inches long. They have a robust exoskeleton that aids in shielding them from the harsh conditions of their deep-sea environment. Their foraging, slow-moving lifestyle fits in nicely with the lack of food in the ocean's depths. Among the largest arthropods on the planet are giant isopods, which resemble roly-poly bugs. They have been present for more than 160 million years and can reach lengths of up to 16 inches. 10. Deep sea sponges. The ocean's engineers. Some animals play a significant role in influencing their environment beneath the ocean's surface, in the ominous and enigmatic deep sea. Deep sea sponges are one of them. They are frequently referred to be ecosystem engineers, due to the distinctive and essential contributions they provide to the undersea ecology. Although deep-sea sponges are diverse and come in a variety of sizes and forms, they all share the ability to assemble complex skeletons from silica or other minerals. These skeletons build a structure that provides a home for other marine life. Silica-based intricate skeletons can be built by glass sponges in the deep sea, and these structures are essential habitats for other marine life. Thank you for joining us on this mesmerizing journey through the depths of the sea. Stay tuned for more awe-inspiring adventures. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss an episode.